put it in the cup.
And then you rinse in your mouth?
Oh.
Okay.
I told you.
You told me. You don't swallow it, okay? You just rinse, 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 rinse. Very good. One more time. One more time.
No, you.
No, I don't need to. This is for you.
Now this one?
No, this is for you.
But it's Jacob, but I want to use Jacob's.
Okay, just a little bit. There you go. Very good. Now your mouth is fresh. Smelling very good.
Now I'll brush my teeth.
Which one is yours?
I don't put, I don't need this one in.
Which one do you want? That's not yours, is it? It's big. This one? That one? You want that one? Okay. Which? This one?
No.
Bubble Guppy? Oh, this one. Ninja Turtle. Starburst.
It's spicy.
Spicy, okay.
You want to try it?
No.
It's spicy.
Oh, I tried. Oh yeah, it's spicy.
I told you it's spicy.
But it's good. It's good. It will make your mouth smell good. Okay.
Now the little guppies too.
There you go.
No.
I put a lot there.
But a little bit is not a lot.
There you go. Okay.
A little bit's not a lot, James.